friends, I'm Kaiten. This is Jinx&Gunner, the YouTube channel, also my Instagram handle. And today I'm really excited because I'm going to be working on a pair of jeans. I'm using the Half Moon Atelier pattern. It's the 101 jeans, which are very, very, very similar. I think probably inspired by Levi's 101 jeans. But there's like a big trend going on with visible mending and Sashiko and patchwork. I've been seeing a lot of stuff. I'll post some pictures here. And I want to make these jeans similar to that. So I'm going to be adding some embroidery. I've got these threads that I got when I was in Japan, and a needle. And I also have this like just cotton crochet thread. And I think I'm probably going to be using this more than these because obviously I have much more. But I've already done most of the handiwork leading up to the point where I can embroider. So these are the back pockets and the little coin pocket. And I also have my leg pieces cut out because I think I may be adding some like large patches across the knee with more embroidery. And I'm just going to be going through it and sharing the process with you guys. I have some books to help me for reference. This one I also got in Japan when I was there, and it's really just for inspiration. I don't read Japanese, so obviously that's a little bit problematic. There are actually some patterns in here, but they're for some pretty basic things. More than anything, I just think some of these pictures are super inspiring. Let me show you the jeans page. So you can just see all sorts of different things that they added. And I also have this book. Obviously these are jeans that I'm just making right now, so they don't need to be mended. I'm just adding it for decorative purposes, though I'm sure it will, you know, help make them stronger for the future. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the ride because this is where we're going. All right. So I'm going to start by creating the pattern pieces for the patches across the front legs. As I think I already mentioned, I want it to be like one continuous diagonal with the two patches going across. So I've laid some used tissue paper on top of my two front leg pattern pieces, which are also laid out side by side and in line with each other. Now I'm just making sure that when I draw a second line, creating the height of the knee patches, it's the same height across. So I've measured the same amount in two different spots and I'm connecting it with a straight line. The pant pattern pieces already have seam allowance, so once I'm done making these patch pattern pieces, I can just trace along the underlying pant pattern pieces on my patch pattern pieces to get the side and inseam. Then I'll just cut them out of the paper and put in little snips as notches into my pant leg where the patches start and stop so that I know exactly where to place them when sewing. So now that we have our two pattern pieces, we're just going to cut them out of extra fabric, and then we're going to make sure that we cut them out of interfacing as well so that there's something stabilizing it once we start our embroidery. So off camera, I've already taken my ruler and measured out these little grids. I'm just kind of conceptualizing how I want the Sashiko inspired embroidery to flow across the two patches. Just to note, these markings are on the wrong side of the fabric, which has already been interfaced, but it isn't chalk, so it should eventually rub off in time. Now that I have these lines in place, I'm just gonna go for it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And what I'm going to do is going to go on each point and then roughly in the middle. And I'm going to take a lot of stitches on one needle pass so that it kind of goes a little faster, which I think is the general concept anyways. And this is kind of a great thing that I can do while watching TV or relaxing. they're done, friends. I finished up my jeans and I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of all the things that I did. This video is a little bit far, but what I did was the knee patches, the 2 back pocket patches, they're just back pockets. A little close up on that, some booty shots. My little lucky cat. I think they're looking bomb. That's it, they're done, finito. I have achieved my goal. If you liked watching this video, then please like, subscribe, share, comment. Definitely let me know if there's more videos that you want to see that are similar to this one. If this was not your bag, you can let me know that as well in the comments, but be nice about it. I'm K10 of Jinx&Gunner, and I'll see you next time. Bye.